Hello everyone, I am Suchita Morir from St. Vincent Penuti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In this video, we are going to discuss exact differential equation, which is first order first degree differential equation. Main objectives: students understand the concept and knowledge of first order first degree differential equation, which is exact differential equation. Secondly, students are able to solve examples of first order first degree differential equation. Types of differential equation: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. In this video, we are going to discuss type of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation involving derivative with respect to a single independent variable, and in this example here y is dependent variable and only one independent variable, which is x. But in partial differential equation there are more than one independent variables. In this example, u is dependent variable and x and y are independent variable. That means two independent variable. In ordinary differential equation, one independent variable. This is the main difference between ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation. Order of a differential equation is the highest derivative appearing in a differential equation, and degree of the differential equation is power of the highest differential coefficient. Now in first example here, highest derivative term is d2y by dx square term. Therefore here order is 2 and degree is 1. Now in second example here, highest derivative term is dx by dy. Therefore order is 1 and degree is also 1 in second example. Method to solve first order first degree differential equation. There are actually 4 methods, but in this video we are going to discuss exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. A differential equation in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0, where m and n are the functions of x and y or constant values. The necessary and sufficient condition for mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is del m by del y equal to del n by del x. This is the exactness condition. If this condition is satisfied, then the given equation is exact differential equation, and solution is given by this equation, means integration m dx where y keeping constant plus integration terms of n not containing x dy equal to c. We discuss here one example. Solve this equation. Now here first step is we identify the type. If this is exactness, that means you find out necessary and sufficient condition is satisfied. That means del m by del y equal to del n by del x, and then apply the formula of solution and find out the required result. Now consider here given equation in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0. We write down the values of m and n here. Then del m by del y, we find out these values. Here del m by del y means differentiate partially with respect to y keeping x constant. Therefore here x as it is and derivative of this y square is 2y plus 3 as it is, here x square as it is, and differentiation of y is 1. Now similarly here del n by del x, differentiating partially with respect to x keeping y constant. Now when we multiply this x cube term, therefore derivative of this term is 3x square, then derivative of x square y is 2xy. Now here this del m by del y and del n by del x, these values are equal. Therefore the given equation is exact differential equation. Now solution formula is this. We substitute the values in this formula. Now integration of y constant, keeping y constant, here value of m, this is the value of m, then terms of n not containing x, all terms containing x values, therefore there is no any term of only y term, therefore we write down here 0 equal to c. Now integrate this value keeping y constant, therefore y square as it is here, integration of x is x square by 2. Then here 3y as it is, derivative integration of x square is x cube by 3, and then we get this is the required equation. In this way we can solve any exact differential equation. Thank you.